Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is July 5th, time is around 7:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Owanda platform. So here we have a look at the 4-hour time frame. So on weekdays I analyze the lower time frame, and the weekend I'm analyzing the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily. If you're interested in this, please have a look at my weekend video. And an important thing I said or the conclusion actually of my weekend analysis is that I'm expecting a pullback in the DAX in the higher time frame, because we see exhaustion there. There is divergence. We have 5 waves up, and so this means that every high we made can be our last high. And so actually this can also be the case here. Like from this wave 4 low, we have 5 waves up like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end with divergence. Like this could be our high here. However, it is not my primary scenario. My primary scenario is that we see a bit more upside. The reason I think this is that we here in the 4-hour we took out this divergence here, which looks like there is a new cycle starting from here. So primary scenario a bit more upside in the lower time frame, but it could be we could be finished here, in my opinion. This would also be a valid Elliott wave count. Now let's have a look at the lower time frame. Let's zoom into the 1 hour. So this here is our wave 4 low. So for now, please only focus on the green annotations. In a minute, I will explain the red annotations. So what we see from this wave 4 low is that we did a wave 1 to the upside here in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we did the wave 2 to the downside as an ABC. And so now if this is a wave 1 and if this is a wave 2, we know where we should go as a wave 3. Then we should go into this area. We find this area by taking the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 VIP extension is our target for a wave 3. Of course, we will not go there in a straight line. Again, this wave 3 will consist of 5 waves, and so now we are we turned here in this area. I gave you this area to go long, and so now we had the first push up last Friday, but then yesterday we started to go down again. So let's have a closer look at this structure here. So here I gave you this area to go long. This went well. I also told you to protect your trade and already take some partial profits here, but also here, because we could expect some downward pressure from here, and this is exactly what happened. We touched this area here and we went down. So this is the area we found by taking the length of this wave. Here it's labeled as an A, this wave, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 VIP extension is the area from where we should expect reaction to the downside. And so this is what happened yesterday. So I had to change my count. Let's have a look at the 15 minutes. So now, because of this deep retracement here, I believe our wave 1 here was finished here, and that we now might be pulling back as as a wave 2. Um, yeah, I also changed the internal count here to make it look better or more in line with the rules and the guidelines, and this is how I see it for the moment. There is also a chance that this is still a wave 4, but then I have to change this count here, then become 1, 2, and then this should be the 3, and then this should be the 4, and then a 5. But yeah, this is retracing quite deep, so I will immediately, for now, I will take this wave 1 as here completed, and we are doing a wave 2. um so, and if this is a wave 2, so then yeah, the area from where to retrace is actually quite big. So this will be the area between the 0.5 and 0.854 FIP extension. So this is actually the area where we can go into. So therefore, as you can see, it was a good idea to already take profit here. I didn't expect this strong reaction like this, but yeah, as I told you, like the high can be in here, and then this becomes a different setup, which I will explain in a minute. So the downward pressure is definitely here. So it's important to in this kind of situations to take your profits early to protect your trades, and we can always re-enter. So if we want to re-enter, then yeah, actually we know the area. So assuming that the bullish scenario is still valid, then this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and then what we need here is an ABC structure. And yeah, the first ABC that I saw is actually here. This should be our wave A, then this should be our wave B, very short one, and so now we are doing the wave C. And then if we take the length of wave A, the length of wave B, then the area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension is the area where the wave C should end. So yeah. So again, this is this looks like in the bullish scenario, this is an area to go long. I know for now it's quite big, and like what we would like to see is divergence, like 5 waves down from here, something like this is probably, so this looks like 1 2, and now yeah, or 3 is ongoing. As you can see, no divergence at all. I would like to see divergence here, so that would mean first a push up again, and then another low, and then this looks ready to go long again. This is how I would do it. But yeah, for now, like, okay, this is the wave, the area where the wave C should end. But yeah, this area of a wave 2 is quite big, and yeah, actually we can retrace all the way back till here. That's perfectly possible. So that's why we also protected our trade, took profit here, and if we are stopped out, yeah, we're stopped out. This happens in trading. So okay, this is an area to go long, but I would like to see 5 waves down from here that end with divergence into this area before I go long again. And then yeah, we should be ready for more upside. So I just described you, or I gave you the bullish scenario, which is still my primary scenario, but I'm also saying already for some days and even weeks that in the higher time frame I'm expecting a pullback. And so I started my video with telling you that our wave 5 could be in here. And if our wave 5 is in here, if the structure is complete here, then we have a different scenario. Then it would mean that this here, so if we go down from here, it means that we first need an impulse. And this could actually be our wave 1 here. This is 5 waves down. This can also be interpreted as 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end with divergence. 5 waves. Okay, all good. Wave 1 is in. And then here, yeah, for now, this looks like a perfect ABC. So if we have a wave 1 here, we should correct as a wave 2 to the upside. And yeah, here we actually have a perfect ABC. Look at this. The length of wave A, the length of wave B, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is where our ABC should end. And as you can see, we touched this area and now we came down. And so, yeah, if we go down here, like what we need to see for confirmation of the bullish scenario, the bearish scenario, excuse me, is taking out this low and yeah, definitely this low here. Then there is still a bullish possibility if we, or a bullish scenario if we take out this low, but if we take out this one, I might change my my primary scenario to bearish. So let's just wait for more data if this happens or not. So yeah, from here, so how to trade today. So this is the area where to go long, but I would like to see from here 5 waves down as a wave C that end with divergence. And for the moment, yeah, this is way too strong to the downside. I don't see any divergence yet, so no reason to enter yet. But normally from here it should turn again. If you see what I want to see, this 5 waves down that end with divergence. And yeah, if we take out so it's also a clear setup, I believe. Like this is the low to trade against this low. The setup is invalidated. And then yeah, if we break this low and this low, we are probably in the bearish scenario, but this will be for tomorrow. Let's see first what the market gives us today. So this was my analysis for today. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow in another video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.